What's good? What's good? Welcome back to Invest and Trade with Jax. Hope you're well. We're going to go over Matic. Currently sitting at 85 cents. We're down 4.6 on the day. We're seeing market cap 7.95 billion. 24-hour volume 740 million. So if we look at the chart here, a couple possibilities. We have a nice 5-wave move off the low. So potentially a wave 1, and now we're pulling back in a wave 2, but we need to hold 77 cents. If we start to lose the 78.6, it's a less likely wave 2, but wave 2 can retrace up to 99% of wave 1. But it would be the first warning sign, and then if we lose that low, the alternative scenario is that you had a beautiful wave 1 to the upside, and this is all correction, like A, B, come down in a wave C. That could take you all the way back down to like 61 cents and then see continuation to the upside. That's if we start to lose 77 cents, and then confirmation would be a break of the low here at 72 cents. Then you're going to see that deeper pullback. But until then, we do have a nice 5-way move off the low. We are currently in Matic trade that we sniped away down here. And so if we can hold that wave 2 pullback, then we can see continuation up in a wave 3. 77 cents is the crucial level to 78.6. Taking a look at Ethereum, going through our wave 2 correction now, we had the beautiful 5-wave move. We locked in full profits on our trade right up here when we started to consolidate. So we absolutely love to see it, and we'll be giving another trade signal down here in our wave 2 pullback zone. Signal will be given in the Discord, which you can gain free access to my VIP rooms at the end of the video. So that's what I'm looking for, a drop. In between 1961 and 1713, minimum target is the 38.2 at 2000. See that pullback, take a long trade right up the wave 3. Daily chart, basically come back and retest this ascending triangle support. As you can see, we broke through it beautifully here. So we come back down for a retest. That would take you down to about 2037. Yeah, that would be just above the 50%. And bounce off that trend line of support and see continuation back to the upside. That's what I think is likely for Ethereum. As you can see on the daily chart, we do have a bearish divergence, higher high, lower high. So it would make sense to see some pullback. That's what I'm looking at for Matic and Ethereum. If you want completely free access to my trade signals, sign up to Bitfinex. No KYC, no VPN all around the world, including US and Canada. My subscribers only get a 20% bonus into their futures account. If you deposit $1,000, that's $200 completely free to trade with. $100 is the minimum, then you'll get $20. Email me to get your 20% bonus, and I'll give you access to my VIP rooms completely for free. Daily crypto analysis, my exact trade setups, crypto news, member profits, forex signals, forex analysis. Otherwise, it's $10 a month. Sign up to the Patreon link. All links down below. Go check them out. Smash the like button for the YouTube algorithm. And I will see you in the next video. All right. Much love. Take care.